Hi guys, we are going to find the sum of the above series. As we can see, 2016 is the common denominator in each term of the above series. Hence, by taking the common denominator 2016 out of all the terms, we will get 1 upon 2016 outside the bracket and inside 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 24 till 2016. We can see all the terms inside the bracket are the multiples of 6. Hence, we can rewrite this series as 6 as a 6 into 1 plus 12 as a 6 into 2, 18 as a 6 into 3 and so on. The last term will be 6 into 336 as 6 into 336 is equals to 2060. Now, by taking 6 out of the bracket, we will get 6 upon 2016 and inside bracket we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 336. As we know, sum of n terms of arithmetic series is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Where n is the total number of terms, a is the first term and d is the common difference between two consecutive terms. Now by applying this formula in the above arithmetic series, we will get 16 n by 2. So n total number of terms is 336 by 2 into 2a. 2 into first term is 1 plus 336 minus 1 into d. d is the common difference between two consecutive terms. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we simplify the above expression. We will get 336 by 2 into 2 plus 336 minus 1 is 337. Now 6 will cancel out 2016 as a 336 and it will cancel out. What will be left? 337 by 2. Hence the sum of the above series 337 by 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.